O Lord of the universe, the vast and the mighty one, ruler of the light and the darkness, we adore thee and we invoke thee. Look thou with favour upon me, who now standeth before thee, and grant thine aid unto the highest aspirations of my soul, that I may be enabled to accomplish the great work, to the glory of thine ineffable name. Imagine that there is a brilliant white light just above and touching the crown of your head. Visualize it in brilliant, scintillating, pure white light. Picture this whirling sphere of light and vividly sense it as vibrating, revolving, radiating. Vibrate. Now imagine that from this brilliant white sphere a radiant shaft of light is emitted, which descends through the skull and brain, stopping at the throat. Here a second sphere of light is formed, and includes the throat and the lowest portion of the face. Vibrate. Now see and feel the brilliant white shaft of light extend from the throat and go downward through the chest to form another sphere of brilliant white light resting on your diaphragm. Maintain the sharpest visualization. Vibrate the name.
Yehovah
the radiant shaft descends through the abdomen to the pelvic area, where another white ball of brilliant white light is to be visualized. Vibrate the name.
Shaddai El Chai. Shaddai El Chai.
Visualize the shaft descending from the pelvic sphere to the ankles and feet, where you are once again grounded to the earth. Here, it forms another sphere of pure scintillating white light. Formulate and visualize this brilliant, dazzling sphere of light. Vibrate the divine name See and sense the shaft of silvery light started with these 5 incomparably brilliant centers of light stretching from the crown of the head to the soles of the feet. This is the middle pillar. Move your imagination back to the crown of the head, to the white sphere of light corresponding to Ketha on the tree of life. Now will and imagine that as you exhale, the light energy begins to stream down the left side of the body to the feet. And as you inhale, imagine this band of energy ascending the right side of the body, coming back to Ketha. Visualize the energy flow now changing direction. Exhale down the front. Inhale, the energy flows up the back. These circulations of light about the body develop an ovoid-shaped aura of swiftly circulating, radiant, psycho-spiritual energy which surrounds the whole body. Return your attention now to the earth center in the feet. As you breathe in, the energy is sucked into your earth center from the ovoid aura, pulled upwards by the magnetic attraction of the spirit center above the head. Then vigorously it surges overhead with a marvelous fountain-like display with the exhalation. Imagine the psycho-spiritual energy falling all about you within the confines of this ovoid aura. Inhale, and the energy ascends the middle pillar into the Kether. Exhale, the fountain of energy surges forth to shower your body and spirit. Inhale, up the middle pillar. Exhale, the surging energy sprays all about you. Meditate on and within the enclosing, vibrating light of the Spirit. Permit yourself to dwell in this aura of light which surrounds you, filled with spiritual and vital and healing qualities. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. You are now at one with the one life which pulses throughout the whole universe. Close now by withdrawing the sphere of brilliant light into yourself. Now take a deep breath.